Happy morning, children. We will solve practice at 6.3 fourth sum, where you have been given a frequency distribution table. The ages are given in years and number of patients is given. You have to find the mod of ages of the patients. So now to find the mod of the ages of the patients, first of all we have to make a table. Now here you have been given class, that is age in years is less than 5 is given. So we will write the class as 0 to 4. Now first of all I always tell you that you have to check whether the classes given are continuous or not. That is, upper limit should be equal to lower limit. So if you see properly, here 4, here 5, 9, 10, 14, 15, 19, 20, 24, 25. Upper limit is not equal to lower limit. So the classes are not continuous. So we have to make them continuous. So for that what we have to do, as I told you, you have to reduce 0.5 from the lower limit and you have to increase 0.5 to the upper limit. So if I am going to reduce from 0, if I am going to reduce 0.5, okay, then what I will get? I will get a negative lower limit, right? So age is given age. Age cannot be negative. Have you ever heard people talking, my age is minus 10, my age is minus 4 years? No, age cannot be negative. So, for examples related to ages, you will keep this as it is, 0 only. You will not reduce 0.5, you will not reduce here, 0 minus 0.5, okay. Upper limit, it's 4, you can increase. So, it will be 4.5. Here it will be reduce 0.5, this will become 4.5. Increase, it will become 9.5. And same way you do. Reduce 0.5, increase 0.5. I hope you are understanding. Reducing from the lower limits 0.5 and increasing from upper to upper limits 0.5. So you will get so this way we have done. Now the other things are very simple. Now maximum frequency, number of patients, this is frequency. Now which score is maximum, which is the highest score, you tell me. You can see the scores here, 38, 32, 50, 36, 24, 20. Which is the highest frequency, maximum frequency? You can see and you can tell me. It is 50. So this 50 is the maximum frequency. I'll quickly write here 50. After that, this 50 is the maximum frequency. So which is the class having maximum frequency? It is this. So I will like the cells. This is the class having maximum frequency. You should see the continuous classes now. So I will write here 9.5 to 14.5. So what is L? Lower limit of the model class. So this class is called as the model class. Okay. Now L is equal to lower limit of the model class, that is 9.5. F1 is what? Frequency of the model class. 50 is the frequency of the model class. So you will write here F1. So F1 is what? 50. Then F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is F0. So this is 32. And what is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is 36. H is equal to class interval of the model class, 14.5 minus 9.5, that will be 5. Now see here, you will be writing the formula. Mod is equal to, okay, and then you will substitute the given values. Mod is equal to L plus. Now these values I have already written. Substitute. L is 9.5 plus F1 is 50, F0 is 32 upon 2 into F1, 2 into 50 minus F0 is 32, F2 is 36 into 5, which is equal to 9.5 plus 50 minus 32 is 18 upon 2 into 50 is 100 minus 32 minus 36 into 5. Now according to BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket. Then 9.5 plus 18 upon 100 minus 32 is 68 minus 36 into 5, which is equal to 9.5 plus 18 upon 68 minus 36 is 32 into 5. Now, this 18 and 32 in 2 stable, 2 nines are 18 and 2 16s are 32. So, you will get 9.5 plus 45 upon 16. Now this division you have to perform. So when you are doing division, you should know decimal everything. So what we will do? We will write 9.5 plus, now 45 divided by 16. 16, you will get 16 2s are 32. Okay, minus. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now what we will do? We will put decimal point here. And we will take 0. I hope you know 45 can be written as 45.00. So this 0 you are taking down after decimal point. So you have to put here decimal point. So now you should know the tables for doing this. Now 130. So 16 sevens is 112 and 16 eights is 128. So 16 nines is 144. So which one you will take? 16 nines is 144. That cannot be taken. So 16 eights, that number is 128 and that number is closer. If you know division decimal point, then you can do as I told you all. So you will get 10 minus 8 is 2. So again you have to take 0. So 16 ones are 16 because 16 twos are 32 it is. So we cannot take 32. So you will get 16 ones are 16. Okay. So 20 minus 16 is 4. So you will get now 9.5 plus 2.81. If you add, you will get 12.31. Okay. And writing the final conclusion is also very important. This you have to write. Therefore, the mod of the ages of the patients is 12.31 years. This also carries marks. Sometimes they give 1 mark for writing the conclusion.